Load Trail recently installed an IntelliFinishing automated finishing system capable of finishing trailers up to 53 feet long and up to 10,000 pounds at their Sulphur Springs, Texas facility. After final weld, trailers are loaded immediately on a carrier within each of their 9 weld lanes. The trailers are then conveyed forward at 56 feet per minute onto a primary shuttle, which moves sequentially and laterally at 42 feet per minute, entering into each process step and reversing out of that process area as each step is completed. Via the conveyor, the trailer part is shuttled to an automatic shot blast, which removes rust, mill scale, slag, and other imperfections. A manual blast booth that allows operators to touch up areas missed in auto blast. A 2-stage automatic washer. A dry-off oven where times and temperatures can be modified to trailer or part substrates. 1 of 3 holding lanes for final cleaning and quality inspections. A prime coat booth. 1 of 2 top coat powder paint booths. 1 of 3 available cure ovens, where recipe-based control allows for maximum flexibility depending on part substrates or differences in powder cure specifications. 1 of 2 unload stations where the newly powder-coated trailer is unloaded for final assembly. And then via the secondary shuttle, empty carriers head back to the weld lanes to repeat the process. The IntelliFinishing system is an extremely flexible, bolt-together finishing system that can handle very large or long products, or even a wide range of product sizes and weights, often in a tight footprint. Intuitive conveyor controls integrated with each piece of process equipment ensures that every trailer and trailer part achieves its own optimal finish. IntelliFinishing systems typically cost much less to operate compared to conventional systems as well. Interested in an exceedingly flexible, less costly to operate automated finishing system? Contact IntelliFinishing at 785-309-0356 to speak to a representative or visit IntelliFinishing.com.